Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix guided access not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first solution, you have reset all setting on your iPhone. If your iPhone guided access is still not working, the last solution you can try it to reset all settings. So you on your iPhone, so you have open the setting and then scroll up, then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset all setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all setting. Then second solution, you have restart your iPhone. So then the next solution is to the soft reset your iPhone. The procedure is also known as a forced restart. There are a couple of reasons where restarting your smartphone fix most problem, making it is a go to the solution for technical issue like this. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart. Then third solution, you have update your iPhone. So then iOS update often come with bug fix and performance improvements. Therefore you can resolve your iPhone guided access problem by ensuring that you have updated your iOS the latest version on your iPhone. Then last solution, you have turn off guided access. Triple click is not working. The first method probably is not applicable in your situation. In this case, you need the go to the setting and then you have click on accessibility. So then you have click on accessibility and then you have click on guided access. So then you have go back from here, then you have uh, then guided access. So then you have guided access, then you have turn off guided access and then toggle it on again. So then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.